Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can enable and disable the automatic screen rotation on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to open the quick access, so swipe from the top to the bottom, and by default you should have the rotation button over here somewhere. So this is the icon that you can use in order to, or button that you can use in order to press to activate and deactivate the screen rotation. So if you have this icon, it means that you have the auto rotation enabled. And if you have this one, it means that the landscape mode is disabled and your screen will not rotate. You can also swipe one more time in order to open the full quick access menu. And then over here, you should find this button here. So if you have it locked like before, then it is in the portrait mode where you cannot rotate. And if you have it enabled, then it looks like this and it should say auto rotate. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos.